Alice, thank you so much for being here today. I want to begin with the state of the market in recent days. We got a bit of reprieve for crypto when Trump announced a pause on tariffs. But even during that, crypto and especially Bitcoin have held up relatively well compared to the broader market. What's the reason we saw Bitcoin hold its ground while traditional assets struggled? And what sort of trends have you been watching?
Yeah, sure. Indeed, we saw the decoupling of Bitcoin versus the traditional stock market at the initial announcements of Trump's tariffs. Now, at the beginning of it, the crypto market stayed well above the shock levels, but we did experience on the 7th of April the Black Monday for crypto as well. A few reasons for why there is idiosyncratic risk for crypto in general. One of which is the sell pressure we're experiencing triggered from the large exit of the whale positions. But overall, Bitcoin itself has stayed just slightly touching the 75K levels on that Black Monday, but then quickly bounced back to what we are today, just close to 85K. And around this level, we're seeing a lot of the dust settling down. A few large institutional funds are still experiencing inflows, keep on topping up of being buying BTC assets, and a benefit out of this trade tariff for crypto and Bitcoin, especially, is this decoupling of this de-dollarization of the global trade and global economies, moving towards pushing different international companies as well as sovereign nations to choose BTC as a reserve assets into their treasury book.
Coinbase had a report out this week that found the market cap for altcoins fell 46% from its high in December. Have you observed this trend away from altcoins, and what does it say about how investors are thinking about crypto?
Sure. As we speak right now, the Bitcoin dominance in the market is at 63%, and that's the highest level there has been since 2021. And the market seems to be back at that level where there is a decline of altcoin seasons, but also a pump in confidence of BTC dominance in the market. And a few reasons driving that trend. Number one is the crypto market today is above 2.5 trillion total, and that is a much larger altcoin market compared with the last market cycle. Hence, to pump the entire altcoin market for us, it's becoming trickier. However, we do see the rotation of capital throughout the trending narratives in the altcoin space. So, in a sense, yes, BTC dominance is very high, but that does not mean that altcoin season will not enter. And as we speak, the CMC altcoin season index is printing a 17 at the moment, 17 out of 100. And the way we measure it is the performance of the top 100 projects compared with BTC for the past 90 days. Although that is in the BTC season right now, but we do see the index coming out of coming towards the altcoin season as the trend of the direction.
A related question on stablecoins. We watch stablecoins and their market cap for evidence of appetite and demand for trading in the market. They're coming back now, but you could see right after April 2nd, the market cap for stablecoins kind of took a tumble with broader assets. And it's been really interesting to watch even the price of Bitcoin hold up better than the market cap of stablecoins. What do you make of it, and what does it tell us about this market?
Yeah. So stablecoin is in stablecoin market cap in crypto generally entails two things. Number one is the appetite for investors to go actually take on some risk, because when investors want to de-risk their portfolio, they normally sell out of their altcoins, sell out of their crypto holdings and go into stablecoin. So when stablecoin market cap rises, that could imply that it's a de-risk appetite across the crypto market. Now, what we're saying, as I said, on the Black Monday is a lot of great buying opportunities, and some stable coins do, like the market cap decrease is in relation to topping up to go into the other actual crypto tokens and assets on the back of this buying opportunity. Now, number two, just to the point of the total market cap for stablecoins decreasing, that also implies the institutional travel, the direction of travel. So what we are saying is that now with the different liquidity injected to the market, some institutions are waiting for the trading signal to potentially top up there.
Where is the momentum going from here? As much as Bitcoin has held up amid the trade uncertainty, are tariffs and a potential trade war still a major headwind to crypto going forward? This hasn't really been resolved, just on pause.
Yeah. So what we're saying the whole world uh, looking at right now is the tension between Jerome Powell and Trump. So, AKA, what are we going to have as the um, central bank policies coming up globally, and not just with the U.S. market, but also globally as well. What we are seeing today, for example, the ECB is cutting interest rates again as the Trump tariff impact. So, what we are likely to see is that pressure being put on globally as central banks to do to reduce the interest rate. But as we saw most recently during Powell's interview, that he is not going to be. Fed is not there to save the stock market, basically. So that is making the industry question whether we're going to get the rate cut that was previously priced in from the traditional market. I think before this recent speech and recent tension between the Jerome Powell and also Trump side, the market was anticipating 125 bips rate cut this year. But given the recent statement and the economic situation right now, I think the market would be looking very closely at potentially a reduction of that rate cut.